Hello? I am glad to welcome you to the channel, Drive It Easy. Today we will consider an unusual situation that can happen on the road. So, 3 cars met at this Y-shaped uncontrolled intersection. And it would be nothing, but their further paths intersect. Each of them plans to turn left. This raises the question: what is the sequence of driving through this intersection? Agree that the situation is extremely unusual. After all, we are used to always having traffic lights, signs, or road markings that can carry some information. Write in the comments if you have ever been in such a situation. So the correct answer is D. By mutual consent. As I said, this intersection is unregulated. Therefore, the right-hand obstacle rule applies here. Here, all 3 cars have an obstacle on the right. The only solution to this situation is only a mutual agreement regarding the passage. That is, by flashing the headlights or a hand gesture. When one of them passes, the next 2 will be guided by the right-hand obstacle rule. Write in the comments who answered this question and how. And are there any of you who are currently learning to drive in driving schools? Interesting fact you didn't know. In Denmark, drivers are required to check for children or homeless people under their cars before setting off. This rule is a response to basic safety for all road users.